Good morning, children. Welcome back to science class. In this video, we shall learn lesson number 14, elements, compounds and mixtures. In day-to-day life, we use various objects such as chair, table, cupboard, etc. Objects are made up of substances. The term matter is also used as a synonym of substances. In scientific language, however, a single term is used for single concept and that which an object is made of is called matter. Many kinds of matter found in nature are in pure form. That is, they contain only one constituent. In scientific language, matter made of only one constituent is called substance. Matter made of two or more substances are called mixtures. All substances are made of extremely tiny particles. Smallest particle of substances are called molecules. Let's see what is an element. A substance whose molecules are made of one or more atoms which are exactly alike is called an element. The smallest particle of element are made of only one type of atoms. We cannot see atom with the naked eye, but when crores of atoms come together, their total volume is large enough to be visible to our eyes. The mass and volume of atoms of different elements are different. Elements can occur in solid, liquid or gaseous state. Scientists have discovered 118 elements. Of these, 92 elements occur in nature, while the remaining are man-made. Hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, etc. are few important natural elements. Oxygen occurs in nature in the gaseous state. Two atoms of oxygen are joined to form a molecule of oxygen. Great scientist Democritus named the small particles of an element atom because in the Greek language atomos means indivisible. In 1803, scientist John Dalton proposed his theory stating that atoms cannot be created or divided into smaller particles or destroyed. Symbols of an element. In day-to-day life, we use short forms in many places. A similar method is used to indicate elements. The symbol of an element is written in the English script and is the short form of its name. Some elements and their symbols are given here. Some elements, the symbol is a single letter which is the first letter of the element's name. Example, hydrogen H, carbon C, oxygen O, sulfur S. The symbol is always a capital letter. Most of the remaining elements have symbols consisting of the first letter of their name followed by an additional letter, usually the second or third letter of the element's name. Example, helium, He. For the first letter will be the capital letter, that is H capital, and next second letter will be small letter. Aluminium, Al. A will be capital letter and second letter L small letter. Next example is chlorine, Cl. Silicon, Si. Symbols of some elements are derived from their Latin names. Example, sodium. Na, its Latin name is natrium. Potassium, Latin name is kalium, the symbol K. Iron, symbol Fe, Latin name is ferrum. Go through the remaining examples. Elements are classified into metals, non-metals and metalloids. The properties of metals are malleability, ductility, conductivity of heat and electricity, density, luster and sonority. Examples of metals are silver, gold, copper, iron, etc. The elements that do not show the properties of malleability, ductility, conductivity of heat and electricity, density, luster and sonority are called as non-metals. Examples, phosphorus, sulfur, etc. The elements that show some properties of metals and some properties of non-metals are called as metalloids. Example, arsenic, silicon, selenium, etc. Next is alloy. Some metals are difficult to use in pure form. The properties of the original metal can be modified by mixing one or more elements in it. Such a mixture of metal is called an alloy. Example, brass, steel, 22 karat gold are a few examples of alloy. Next subtopic is compound. The substance formed by a chemical combination of two or more elements is a compound. A molecule of compound is formed by a chemical combination of atoms of two or more elements. A molecular formula is used to represent a compound. Molecular formula of compound is a short form of its name written with the help of the symbols of the constituent elements and the number of their respective atoms. Example, water. Water is a compound. Its molecular formula is H2O. One molecule of water is made of two atoms of hydrogen and one atom of oxygen. Hydrogen is a combustible substance that it burns. Oxygen helps combustion, but water, which is formed by combination of hydrogen and oxygen, is used to extinguish a fire. In other words, the properties of a compound are different from those of the constituent elements. Next topic is mixture. A mixture is formed by mixing different elements or compounds. The proportion of various compounds in a mixture is not fixed. No chemical change takes place during the formation of mixtures and no new substance is formed. Example, lemon juice, oil, air, etc. Thank you. Have a nice day.